Hello guys, welcome to DevDomain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the MGN and they're hiring as Associate Software Engineer and the location in which they're hiring is Hyderabad. Here you can see the job description. Coming up to the basic qualifications are required: master's degree in computer science or bachelor's degree in computer science engineering, then hands-on experience with various cloud services, then hands-on experience with full stack software development, proficient in programming languages, React framework, Redux, RESTful APIs development, Swagger / OpenAI, TypeScript, Fast API, JavaScript, SQL, NoSQL, Databricks / RDS, data engineering. Then you should have strong problem solver, analytical skills, ability to learn quickly, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So these kind of skills and qualifications are required. So next hiring is conducted by the BCG and they're hiring as a research associate and the location in which they're hiring is Bangalore. Coming up to the job description, you should have an undergraduate degree. Here you should have 0 to 1 years of experience. They can also apply for the job. That means freshers also apply for the job. Passionate about technology, detail oriented and strong execution, basic awareness and working knowledge of GenAI tools, passionate about using GenAI tools to unlock efficiency, do deeper work, and if you have any GenAI certification, then it will be plus point. Then you should have excellent communication skills. Next hiring is conducted by the EY and they're hiring for testing BCM. It will be off-campus drive. Location in which they're hiring is Chennai. Here you can see the qualifications: BE, BTech in computer science, IT or circuit branches. You should have at least 60% throughout your academic career and no backlog must be there. So you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the Thinkitive and the hiring as trainee software engineer and location in which they are hiring is Baner, Pune. Full-time opportunity will be there and freshers also apply for the job. So requirements are: you should have strong communication and interpersonal skills in OOPS and data structures, front-end such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript basics, database such as SQL or NoSQL, strong problem solving skills. You should be a quick learner. Candidates should have good knowledge of logical and designing concepts, fundamental such as C, C++ and OOPS concepts. Knowledge of, you should have the knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS, and front-end frameworks such as Foundation or Bootstrap, familiarity with databases, defect fixing and performance optimization. So these are the requirements are there and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Genser and they're hiring as freshers in GenAI annotations, labeling and prompt engineering. And here you can see the qualifications are required: a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in specific discipline. You should have strong written and verbal communication skills, willingness to learn and adapt new tools and technologies, ability to work independently and in a team environment, and you will get the CTC around 3 to 6 based upon your evaluation and the selection in specific projects. This is the hiring for Genser. So here you can apply for the job. You have to just fill the form. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.